Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the Google Chrome Quic protocol issue. First, disable Quick Protocol in Chrome flags. To begin, open the Google Chrome browser. In the address bar at the top, type Chrome/flags and press Enter to access Chrome's experimental settings page. Once you are on the flags page, locate the search box labeled Search Flags and type in Quick Protocol. In the search results, find the setting called Experimental Quick Protocol. Click on the drop-down menu next to it and select Disable to turn it off. After making the change, Chrome will prompt you to relaunch the browser. Click the Relaunch button to restart Chrome and apply the new setting. If you ever want to undo this change in the future, you can simply return to Chrome/flags and click Reset All to restore all settings to their defaults. Step 2. Check for conflicting extension. Just click the menu icon 3 dots in the top right corner of Chrome. Go to Extension, Manage Extensions, disable extensions one by one to check for possible conflicts. If the problem persists, the website may be temporarily down or permanently moved. If this video helps you out, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more tips.